I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill an affidavit form. An affidavit is a sworn written statement of facts used as evidence in legal proceedings. You, as the affiant, are declaring the truthfulness of these statements under oath. It's crucial that all information is accurate and that you understand the serious legal implications of making false declarations. This document must be signed before a notary public or another authorized official to be legally valid. Before you begin writing, gather all necessary information like names, dates, and specific events. Ensure every detail is accurate and can be verified if needed. Clearly identify the purpose of your affidavit, whether it's for a court case or another legal requirement. Understanding the specific format and any jurisdictional rules will save you time and prevent errors later on. When filling out the form, start by clearly stating your full legal name and address. Present your facts in numbered paragraphs, dedicating one distinct fact to each. Use straightforward, clear language, avoiding complex legal jargon where possible. If you have supporting documents, refer to them within the affidavit and attach them as exhibits, ensuring they are properly labeled for easy reference. The final steps are critical. Carefully review your entire affidavit for any errors or omissions before signing. You must sign the document in the physical presence of a notary public or another authorized official. They will verify your identity, often requiring one or two forms of identification, and administer the oath. Once signed and stamped by the notary, your affidavit becomes a legally binding document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.